you is still on pending. Save your excuses for your wife who's about to hate your jobless ass because you're fired. Hello, Bella. Inform HR to draft a dismissal letter for Mr. Billy. He just fired himself. And tell the accountant to pay him the rest of his money. Inform Mr. Hassan to resume tomorrow as my personal driver.
Madam, I beg, no sack me. Now something where I remember for house. Now make me shake shoulder. Not for you. I beg, no sack me. My wife get belly. Go.
One day you're going to explain to me in clear details why it's so difficult for you to confirm appointments.
I am so sorry, ma'am. I actually did confirm.
Any story of your incompetence doesn't interest me. Tell Jessica I won't approve of any of the girls she sent to me. I asked for clean, slender, beautiful, smiling models, not those wacky, dirty, hunger-stricken models she sent to me. Tell my driver I have an appointment for 2 p.m. sharp. And call Serial, tell him I said no for the 50th time. I asked for turtleneck designs, not those slouchy rubbish he's been trying to pitch me for the past 3 weeks. And tell Jessica again, it is not that difficult to find beautiful ebony models in Nigeria. I need to see what the runway team has put together for the upcoming fashion week. Oh, gosh, I hope I don't puke. And please inform... What's that?
And what's that? What's what, ma'am?
That. Is it silicone? Are you into movies now?
I am pregnant.
Pregnant? For how long?
5 months.
5 months? How? We work together every day and you've been fat for 5 months and I'm just now noticing?
You don't really look at anyone, ma'am.
It's okay. Just find a replacement for your position. Someone available tomorrow.
Please, ma'am, don't fire me. I am fit. I can still work.
I don't fire smart people, Bella. I'm just simply changing your job description. 30% off your salary, maybe.
Please, ma. This is my family's only source of income.
I should be grateful that I'm not firing you. My assistant has to be a reflection of myself, and as you can see, I'm not pregnant. Please vacate your desk and move to the room at the extreme end of the hall. And until I can find a position for you, you will help train the new assistant on how to be you.
Please, ma'am, I can still work.
Aha! The dragon lady returned. You look nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. So tell me, how many people did you fire today?
Well, less than a handful, but you're going to be one of them if you don't explain to me why you're home this early.
I was tired. Do you know how many people have been auditioning? How many girls I auditioned today? And you know how hard it is to find girls that suit your style.
You're just lazy.
That's too hardworking. Yes. And if I was like you, our friendship would have crumbled a long time ago. In fact, I think you need a bit of comedy to all this your action film you're shooting. Yeah. Hello. Hi. I don't like this. To Steve.
Yeah, whatever. Just make sure you don't stain my carpet with that thing you're eating.
Oops.
Yeah.
Oops. I love you.